continuing our journey to explore the most important wetlands of South India for UPSC examination. In yesterday's video, we covered two important states of Kerala and Karnataka. Now let's move to the next South Indian state, Andhra Pradesh. The state of Andhra Pradesh have three important wetlands, Kolleru Lake, Pulicat Lake, and the Kakala Ava wetland. Kolleru Lake, Andhra's largest freshwater lake, has been in the spotlight due to the growing threats to its survival. In October 2023, the lake made headlines as encroachments and illegal aquaculture ponds were severely impacting its fragile ecosystem. Conservationists called for Operation Kolleru 2.0 to save this vital wetland located between the Krishna and Godavari river deltas in Andhra Pradesh. The situation escalated in March 2024 when the Wildlife Task Force identified unauthorized aquaculture ponds spanning a 1,700-acre stretch of Kolleru Lake, underscoring the urgency for action. Designated a wildlife sanctuary in 1999 and a Ramsar site in 2002, Kolleru Lake is a biodiversity hotspot. The shallow lake, with an average depth of just 1 meter, covers an area of 90,100 hectares and supports around 20 million resident and migratory birds, including the vulnerable grey pelican. Its aquatic flora and over 60 fish species form a delicate ecosystem that sustains this rich avian population. Kolleru also serves as a natural flood balancing reservoir between the two major rivers Krishna and Godavari. To protect this critical wetland, the Andhra Pradesh government is preparing an inventory of land use around the lake to declare it an eco-sensitive zone. The next site is Pulicat Lake, India's second largest brackish water lagoon. It has been making headlines this past year due to oil spill event near Chennai. Located on the border between Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, Pulicat Lake is an ecologically sensitive wetland. In December 2023, an oil spill near Chennai spread into Pulicat Lake, coating birds and fish in tar and devastating the ecosystem. NGT also questions Tamil Nadu government on how oil spill reached Pulicat backwaters. Geographically, Pulicat Lake is massive, spanning 759 square kilometers. It stretches 60 kilometers in length and varies from 0.2 to 17.5 kilometers wide. The lake is shallow, averaging just 1 meter deep. Major rivers like the Arani and Kalangi flow into Pulicat. The lake is separated from the Bay of Bengal by the barrier island of Sriharikota, home to India's main satellite launching facility. Pulicat Lake Bird Sanctuary lies within the lagoon, hosting over 200 bird species including migratory flamingos. Pulicat Lake supports the livelihoods of over 150,000 people in fishing and farming, but siltation, encroachment and industrial pollution increasingly threaten this centuries-old lake. The third and last site of interest is Kakala Ava Lake, a unique wetland near Visakhapatnam. This lake has been in the news recently as the State Forest Department and environmental groups are making efforts to preserve it. Kakala Ava is the second largest freshwater wetland in Andhra Pradesh, located about 48 kilometers from Visakhapatnam. It is spread across an impressive 750 acres and is home to over 150 species of birds. One exciting discovery in 2021 was the first documented record of smooth-coated otters in the Kakala Ava wetland. Smooth-coated otters are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List, making this finding particularly significant. The lake is part of the Sarada riverine system and is classified as a perennial, warm, eutrophic shallow, freshwater lentic body. Finally, we will explore Tamil Nadu, the southernmost state in India. This state is home to several newly designated Ramsar sites and other significant wetland ecosystems. The first site is Longwood Shola Reserve Forest, a unique and biodiverse urban Shola forest in the Nilgiris district of Tamil Nadu, was recently in the news for being designated as a Ramsar site in 2024, a wetland of international importance. Spanning an area of 116 hectares, this ancient forest is situated between hills at an elevation range of 1,400 to 2,700 meters. Longwood Shola is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, including threatened species such as the Nilgiri marten and endemic birds like the black-chinned Nilgiri laughing thrush and Nilgiri wood pigeon. The forest also plays a vital role in the region's hydrology, acting as an aquifer that captures rainwater through marshes and releases it via streams, serving as a major water source for town villages downstream. The next site is Kariveti Bird Sanctuary, a unique wetland located in the Ariyalur district of Tamil Nadu. It was recently in the news for being designated as a Ramsar site in 2024, a wetland of international importance. Spanning an area of 453.7 hectares, this sanctuary is one of the largest inland wetlands in the state and serves as a crucial habitat for over 100 bird species, including migratory birds from the Central Asian flyway. Kariveti Bird Sanctuary is home to threatened species like the spot-billed pelican, painted stork, and black-headed ibis, and supports more than 10,000 birds. The wetland also plays a vital role in groundwater, recharge and irrigation for the surrounding agricultural areas. The last site is the Ennore Creek, a backwater located in Thiruvalla district of Tamil Nadu. It was in the news in December 2023 due to a major oil spill from the Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited (CPCL) refinery that severely impacted the creek and destroyed the livelihoods of fishermen. The oil spill occurred following heavy rainfall for 36 hours due to Cyclone Mishong, causing severe flooding in the area. Spanning an area of 4 square kilometers, the Ennore Creek is located 20 kilometers north of Chennai city and 2.6 kilometers south of the Ennore port. The creek acts as an outlet for the excess water from the Pondi Reservoir and is fed by the Aranya River in the north and the Kosastalaya River, which passes through it before meeting the Bay of Bengal. It serves as a crucial buffer for the aquifers of the basin and is home to a variety of flora and fauna, including mangroves, fish, and migratory birds.